It's 2:13 a.m. I don't know who needs to hear this. I just felt like I needed to share it out there. Pero for those na paulit-ulit na nilang pinagbibigyan yung partner nila na cheater, most likely, yung partner ninyo, hindi na kayo iiwan. More often than not, everything is about habits, behavior, or mindset. So when it comes to this, that's even cheating, of course, kapag sila paulit-ulit na nilang ginagawa, nag-cheat sila, babalik sila sa'yo, pinagbigyan mo, nag-cheat ulit sila, pinagbigyan mo, and so on and so forth. In the future, ganun pa rin yung magiging situation nyo. At bakit hindi na kayo iiwan nung cheating partner ninyo? Kasi kayo na ang perfect partner for them. Perfect in a sense na napatunayan mo na sa kanila na kahit paulit-ulit silang magkamali, is paulit-ulit mo rin silang pagbibigyan. And again, katulad nung sa kanila, on your end din na pinagbibigyan mo siya or sila, it's all about behavior, habits, and mindset as well. So, eto ang perspective. Ang perspective natin is kayo, habang nagsasuffer kayo at na broken hearted kayo at every single time na umiiyak kayo and fino-forgive nyo sila naman is na-enforce yung incentive to stay with you. Na kahit meron akong iba, next time, mas gagalingan ko na lang para hindi ako mahuli. Anyways, just in case alam nyo na yan, there are two pathways that you can choose from. The first pathway is understanding na ito na yung situation natin at mukhang hindi na ito magbabago. Now what? And I still want to stay with you. Now let's talk about this. How can we make this work? Given this, meron tayong ganitong usapan. Do we set some ground rules? What do we do? Sit down and talk about it. Really still try to make it work as a couple. That's the first pathway. The second one naman is understanding again the situation and knowing na no, I'm sorry, this is not for me and I am not okay to compromise today, even forever. I do not see myself compromising forever and I will be moving out of this situation. Those are very, very real pathways. For some people, there might be, ito yung mas tama, ito yung mas mali. But really, it's just all about preferences and individuality. So, if hindi siya para sa'yo, then hindi siya para sa'yo. But, if I ask you, alin doon ang pipiliin mo? Yung pathway 1 or pathway 2?